Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, as you can see, we're at the location of I guess the secret hidden dam, the one that runs along right here, this little stretch of canary grass. Basically, the canary grass overgrew right where the dam runs, and now it's kind of covered up with all this thick grass, thick carpeted grass. But you can kind of tell it's there because you have the huge buildup of water on this backside, and then you can also hear the waterfall. The water topping over the dam. Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to grab our brush cutter with our mulching blade on there. We're going to come through and kind of just clear this area out to kind of make the outline of the dam today, and then tomorrow we're going to remove it. Hopefully we can get a pretty good outline of it and see what's going on here, so that tomorrow it's going to be an easy removal. Let's get into it. Okay, so now we have basically uncovered the main portion of the dam, and this is actually just incredible. So if you look at this right here, look at all the water that's just flowing out over this dam. I think what happened is that there's just so much years of canary grass that built up here that they didn't really have to do much. I'm not sure exactly, but just look at that. Right now, I think there's more water seeping through because we made that opening. Like you can see right there, there's like a little bit of a waterfall. Right here, this is the main portion. Right here it drops, there's like kind of a hole, so I'm not gonna go too close. But look at that. You have one little opening right there, another opening right there, and you can kind of make out that it's more of a dam from like this point, and as it goes farther in, if that makes sense. The ditch itself, I think it starts somewhere around here. I don't know how wide it is because it's deep. I don't have my rake, so I can't explore it. But we have the dam uncovered, and this is nice. This is a good starting point. I think when we get the rake, we can kind of open this area up, just get an idea of how much room we have to work with, and then we'll just move everything back. And then this area will become, you know, this is like a 3-foot tall dam. I don't even know how deep it is right here, but with the removal of this dam, it's going to relieve all the flooding. And then it's gonna be a lot easier to remove those other dams that have also been rebuilt. So like always, it's a entire series, and I guess you always start with the lowest dam and then work your way up. That's kind of just logical, but in this case that's what we have to do, because if you haven't guessed it, the dams that are way up there, with the exclusion of the one that we really dismantled, actually no, it's just that one dam that got rebuilt, that one huge one that's holding back a lot of water. That's the main one. That one got rebuilt. The other one that removed, it's the same. And there's also the 1 or 2 hidden ones that are also kind of in the same case as this. But yeah, we've got it open. We have an area to work with now. And yeah, it's not the best job, but we can definitely see what we're working with. And I think cutting up the grass actually helped a lot, because just looking at how much water's pouring out off from the sides, it's pretty amazing. And I think what we'll end up doing is that after we remove the dam, we'll come in here and then dismantle this entire huge little lump, or whatever you want to call it. I don't even know what to call it, because I'm not even sure what's in there, you know, or how it's even built. So yeah, we'll probably just come in here and cut all this grass. Well folks, this is the conclusion for this video. For this part, now it's starting to rain, so just in time. It's starting to fill up once again. Yeah, you can see the bubbles pouring out right there. That's kind of new. There's bubbles right there too. Well yeah, this is the conclusion for this video. I appreciate you sticking around and watching. I appreciate it. If you liked the video, please drop a like. If you really liked the video, please consider subscribing. And also a big shout out to Jessica Davis for sending in these gloves. They're a great pair of gloves. I like it. They're very nice and comfy. What else? Yeah, they're comfy. My hands are super warm. In fact, I'm kind of sweating, so you know, they're doing what they're doing. But yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good night. God bless each and every one of you. Bye.